Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's Bambi here again. I'm here to do a hair tutorial and a full face glam with you guys. This COVID-19 thing is making it hard for us to go back to school, so we're here. We just have to stay safe, wash our hands, and just pray to God. That's the only thing we can do now. So I've already moisturized my face, and I use this I got this from Milcom. The first time I got it, I was just shocked. Like, I don't trust the formula. I don't buy my face products or my body products from Milcom, hoping it will be the best product to use. And you can see my face. I'm already moisturizing. It feels so juicy. Forget the red spots. I love it. It's pure shea butter for perfect skin. Like, first of all, comb it up like this. I don't like keeping my hair dry, so I always have conditioners. Oh, I'm spraying my hair with water and then a Cantu Living conditioner. So I comb my hair like this with a brush, and then I use this two-sided brush, which I love a lot, to smoothen it out. And then I use a band to hold it all together. EcoStyle Super Protein Gel. So this is the gel I use for my hair. I think it's black. I've used almost like a half of the container. I take some like this and then I apply it straight to my hair. You take the brush, you use the softer side just to this, like all the sides smooth. I got this honey. It's an already made honey, and it's like this. They have a clip here, like pin to hold your honey in, like to hold it in, and it's like this. This is my first time actually wearing it, so I just put the conditioner and then water on it to make it look this nice. The band to hold your honey down. So you have this. So I'm gonna clip it like this. I section out some of the hair like that and wrap it around. The hair is extremely soft, so you have to take time in styling it. So just this, you hold it down with a pin. So I have this, like that. That's a beauty glue spray all over my hair like that. I take a scarf and then down on my hair, and this is how it looks. So go straight into my face and get the makeup on. I've already moisturized my face, but I just want to tap down the excess oil on my skin. Rimmel. I take a concealer. This is the LA Pro Concealer. that, I take a BH Cosmetic brush. I use the Benefit eyeliner, the brow liner, sorry, to line my brow and comb it up like this. So after that, I take my darkest shade of foundation. I blend this foundation with the MAC. This is a C cream. This is a CC Plus oil-free matte foundation, and I use this. I pump a little, and then I use a flat brush to pick up the product, and I use it for my upper eye section. I have something like this for my eyebrow. Take my Pearl Concealer. I don't use another brush for my under eye, just blend the product back. So this is what we have. After this, I just use my beauty blender, which already has product in it, and then blend it here. So after blending, I use the Warrior by Juvia, this palette for my eyeshadow. They're so beautiful and neutral, and they're very pigmented. So I take that palette and then I use the Catherine brush. I use the Catherine brush to. I first take the deeper shade, that shade, and apply it. This shade Igia. No, the Kano shade, this shade. I take the Naked brush and take the Ahushi, I don't know, this one, and then put it here. Applying it there, I go back for the brush with no product in it, and then blend it through. I take my eyeliner. This is the Sephora Black Ink. I use this. So lining my eye like this. Now I'm going to do my foundation. So I take the darkest shade, which I already combed out, and then apply it on my face like Studio Fix Fluid for my face, I blend the two foundations together. So just like this, I use the other side of the face. Take the black opal for the contour. I use my Fenty Beauty setting powder on my face to set everything down. I go for my e.l.f. contour palette and then I take an angle brush like that, blend the two colors for a deep contour. I just do that. My brush and then clean. Just put that. Then I'll just take a mascara and then do my eyelashes. I take this color. I'll take the Dahomey. This one. To this, I love to use the MAC highlighter and then I take a fan brush like that and highlight my. And I take this brush, take some of the highlighter and do my nose. This is a drugstore blush, it's Candy Blush, and I take a brush like that, this pencil, sorry, for my lips, and then I go like that. LA Girl matte lipstick. I use that for the middle part like that. The Victoria's Secret lip gloss, and I put it on my lips. If you like this video, like, subscribe, comment on the video. Let me know if you love the look or you don't. And please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell so you get my notifications. And thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.